Good morning! Quick cook tayo. I'm gonna cook chicken bacon alfredo. Pasta is cooking. And then, tangkid natin si Zion sa daycare. Tapos may work ako. 8 a.m. Zion! Guys, si Zion merong Christmas party in daycare. So, ito yung Secret Santa niya. Ito yung sa mga ibang bata. Tapos, ito kay Ate Joy. Ayan yung, niya. Nagbabantay kay Zion. She's so good. Thank you, Ate, for taking care of Zion. Ayan, naka-green siya ngayon. Yay! Yeah, we're gonna bring baby to daycare. Sige, Mommy will just cook, okay? Hey guys, chicken alfredo. Chicken breast nandiyan na. Pasta is almost done. And fresh egg for Zion. Then he might have rice or bread with this. Yeah. Hala, si Zion, inopen yung gift ni Mommy and Daddy. Why did you open Mommy and Daddy's gift? It's not Christmas yet. Oh my goodness, Zion, why did you open? Guys, galing daycare to. Tapos, ito in-empty ko na kasi pinamigay ko na rin yung mga iba eh. And then, this week, bibili ulit ng mga gifts siguro. Zion, did you say thank you to Mommy and Daddy? Can you say thank you? Zion, say thank you. Wala, guys. Ito favorite niya. What? Can you say thank you?
Two.
Say love you. Love you too.
Yeah, but
Open. You have to wait for Daddy. Hala. Okay, wait lang. You got gifts from daycare. From Tita Joy. Oh, no. Don't open. Come on na. Wait lang. Look, you have gifts from daycare. Oh, yung mga friends mo. This is from Tita Joy, Zion. Yeah, you put this, you have to put this sa Christmas tree. No. Hala guys, magnat na to soon eh. Wait lang, baby. Sweet naman ni Ate Joy. Oh, wow. Thank you, Ate. Yung cute. Ang cute naman niya. Chuchu, gusto niya na open guys yung gift namin ni Jean. Hello. Ay, wow. Thank you, Ate. Ay, wait lang, baby. Wait lang, this is for Daddy and Mommy. Uy, that's Mommy and Daddy. Ito, Zion, no, what's this one? Oh, sorry. Zion, look. Wow. Alalala. Ay, wow. Thank you, Ate Joy. Ganda. May bago ka na namang damit, Zion. Jogger. And this one. Ayan na si Daddy. Thank you, Ate. Yan. Thank you, Ate Joy. Lagot ka. Alam mo ginawa nito, tignan mo. Tignan mo yung ginawa. Pagdating. Chuchu daw. Patay. Guys, ayan na sila. Hindi na take ni Zion. Pina-open na talaga. Chuchu. Sabi sa'yo, last na yan.
May yan. Last na yan.
Eh si Thomas. Nakalimutan mo. Oh yeah, last na.
Jemma, it's time to build.
Hindi na natuloy. Pag kaya, pinanap ko, iyak kayo hati. So, mamaya.
Paano niya ba nakita?
Ha?
Paano niya
No, umihi lang ako. Di ba nandyan lang?
Oo.
Biglang may narinig na. Ay, open na. Alam niya.
Jemma, it's time to build this.
Ang dami nito, Zion. Napakahirap pa naman ako i-wrap to. Mabuksan din. KBRD. Guys, na-build niya na, oh. Gift talaga kay Jim. Ooh. Battery ba yan? Like full new batteries yan? Ayan na yung pinakamalakas. I guess train sila. They're not like, diba? Ang train. Hindi na.
Ano?
Hindi naman trains diba mabilis? Yung trains.
Hindi.
Ay, ang cool. Ano yan? Paano yan mag-work?
Ito yung
Ba't may mga
which
ganito?
way. So, itong truck na to, dito yung dadaan.
Train.
Train to.
Track. Oh, track.
Tapos, pag ganyan, pag dito naman, dito sa taas.
So kung marunong sila, pag race car, ikaw yung magmamaneuver kung anong gusto mo. No.
Wait, meron bang ganyan?
Wow.
Tulog na?
Kami na lang maglalaro. Let's go! May price tag kasi na. Wow! Oh! Oh, galing ah! Ay! Madilim!
Nakataas to.
Okay.
Para wala siyang puputahan. Ano ba?
Tapos pag pinush forward mo, go ang go. Sabay.
Oo.
Go.
Go. Ay!
Wow!
Ay, nabanggaan.
Round 3. Woohoo! Ay, ang bagal ni yung green. Ang pangalan niya? Hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan eh. Bilis si Thomas Final round. Naka-down na yung finish lang.
Oo.
Final round. 1, 2 to go.
Yan.
Yun. Wow! Ang bagal ni green na.
Patay.
Okay, let's go back to work. 3 more hours. Tapos off na ako. 8 to 4. Okay. I am off now. 3 days off. Ala na, Wait lang. Say ko lang yun. 3 days off and I'm back to work on the 27th. Tapos work ako Monday and then off ulit ako ng 3 days. So basically enough ko yung co-work. Enough ko yung mga Eve. Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve. Hello. Trying to back up. Ba't nag-blink yung lights ko? Okay, let's go home. Guys, I'm home now. Nag-drop na yung friend namin ng crinkles. Tapos, Tito Rex and Tita Melissa. And you have gift Tita Mika and Tito Dennis and Mateo. Open na daw. Did you eat yet? Tara na. You wanna taste? Taste? Say please.
Please.
Okay. Do you say please again? Say please. You want mommy to open? Zion? Which one? This one? Can you say please?
Please.
Okay. Lang guys. May gusto siyang panoorin. Ayan. I guess bigyan ko siya ng sweets kasi... Wait lang. Lagay muna natin dito. Zion. Wow naman. Ay, yung diaper mo, it's full. Hindi change si daddy. Wala ka. Change mo na tayo.
For the right spring, so I went ahead and
Zion.
ordered the springs.
Hello.
So you gotta make sure you get one for this side and that
Hello.
Ikaw kasi inalis mo yung green.
spring. in this side.
Zion, say Thomas.
Yes.
Again. Thomas. Hindi natin kung alam mo. Wow! Go, go, Thomas! Gusto mo pa ka? Wow! Uh-oh! Thomas is stuck! Uh-oh! Hello! Wow!
Lagot ka!
Wow, kiss mo si Percy. Wala na. The Grinch boy! Guys, dinner for tonight. Pakuluan na na chicken adobo. Yan na. With chili peppers. Kain na si Bossing.